Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Riot Client note no internet found error.
Fix 1. Restart Internet and PC. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router/modem. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Open Riot Client and check. Fix 2. Run Riot Client as administrator. Step 1. Close Riot Client. Step 2. Click Riot Client, run as administrator. Step 3. Sign in again. Fix 3. Disable VPN/proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN app. Step 2. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Proxy. Step 3. Turn off Use a proxy server. Fix 4. Allow Riot Client through firewall. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app. Step 3. Allow Riot Client and Riot Client services.